Second key we're encouraging you to use is, here you go, that's right, an evolution program. So instead of using a rollout plan, we're suggesting that you use an experiment and learn loop to use an evolution program. When you use a rollout plan, over here. So as we had talked about before, Agile really is a challenge because Agile focuses primarily as a culture. And it's culture for leaders to inspire. So if that's the case, working with the complexity of culture, you can't work with things like rollout plans that land in this space. You can't do analysis. You can't hire an expert in Agile and have a rollout plan going to be implemented. This assumes way too little and too much, actually, about the behavioral aspects of individuals and cultures. What you need to do instead is work in this space. If you want to bring people up to this level, you actually work in this level as a leader. And you run experiments, you do prototypes, proof of concepts, and this is the kind of thinking that you want. And even if you want, if it's a cultural stuff that for you is highly complex, surrender. That's what I did. I just gave up. I surrendered. I didn't know how we were going to get somewhere. I did have my North Star, and I really knew that I was going to shape my own destiny, and I didn't know how the team was going to get there. I let them figure that out for themselves. But I had that vision, and I actually rose to the occasion to have my own star, and that brought everybody up to it. So if you're going to fall in the trap, there's ways in which actually you can do things like this, like Michael mentioned, under the disguise of these, and this allows you to bring people up. But you need to have an evolution program, simply because a rollout plan, I've never seen a rollout plan work. I've worked with organizations that constantly work with rollout plans, and just like, Ron, you got to help me out. I'm on my 4th rollout plan. I need you to give me the 5th rollout plan that's going to work. Well, the 5th rollout plan really, you can call it a rollout plan if you want, but it's not. It's an evolution program. It's the one where we're a learning organization, a learning culture that allows us to experiment and figure out and allows the organization to choose its own destiny about where it's going to go and how Agile is going to be for them.